Greetings, nature enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, enjoy an enchanting Chinese New Year experience at Gardens by the Bay with the delightful mascots Xiaohei and Dragon Weilong from River Hongbao. Immerse yourself in the festive ambience featuring massive glowing lanterns, captivating stage performances, and relish carnival games. River Hongbao is an annual festival that is held during the Chinese New Year in Singapore, started in 1987. River Hongbao has become a tradition that locals look forward to every year. This year's River Hongbao features various giant glowing lanterns scattered all around Gardens by the Bay, nightly stage performances by local and overseas performers, Food Street, interactive exhibition that showcases the historical development of Chinese New Year markets in Singapore, as well as carnival rides and games. Gardens by the Bay is not just about towering super trees. It's also home to the picturesque River Hongbao this year. You can also explore the vibrant food street and traditional lantern riddles and trade booths, as well as a special exhibition showcasing the history and development of Chinese New Year markets in Singapore. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more nature escapes and travel explorations. Until next time. This is Siva, signing off from the serene beauty of River Hongbao. Stay curious and keep exploring.